Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Next.js project and NPM package for analytics and your GA4 measurement ID. Install the library now or add gtag. JS files, this gives you a reliable hook into analytics. Once done, create or open pages/app, JS or app/layout, JS so you can inject global scripts. Make sure to keep the measurement ID secure and in environment variables. This prevents accidental exposure and makes deployments consistent across environments. Next, implement the tracking code inside your app's global layout. Use Next.js script component or the library's provider to load gtag with your measurement ID. This guarantees proper loading order. Create a tiny analytics utility that wraps gtag, config, and an event function for custom events. Then wire the router, subscribe to Route Change Complete to send a page view on each navigation. This ensures both initial loads and client-side navigations are recorded correctly and consistently. Finally, verify that data arrives in GA real-time. Open your site, navigate a few pages, and watch the dashboard for hits. This proves your setup. If you don't see events, inspect the console for duplicate script injections or 404's duplicate gtag scripts will double count and missing ID block tracking. Also check the Network tab to confirm requests to www.googleanalytics.com with the correct measurement ID. If problems persist, revert changes stepwise to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.